In the heart of a lush, green forest, there lived a tiny hummingbird named Zuzu. She was known for her vibrant colors and her unwavering spirit. One day, a terrible fire erupted in the forest. Zuzu saw the forest creatures fleeing for their lives, but she was too small to help. Feeling helpless, Zuzu fluttered to a nearby stream. She noticed a drop of water sparkling on a leaf. An idea struck her. Zuzu began to fly from the stream to the fire, dropping water on the flames with her beak. The other animals watched in disbelief. A deer named Daisy asked, "What are you doing, Zuzu? You're too small to put out such a big fire." Zuzu replied, "I may be small, but I can still do something. I won't let the size of the problem discourage me." Hours passed, and Zuzu's small drops of water began to make a difference. The fire eventually subsided, and the forest was saved. The grateful forest creatures gathered around Zuzu. Daisy asked, "How did you manage to save us, Zuzu?" Zuzu smiled and said, "I did what I could, no matter how small it seemed." Sometimes, it's the smallest actions that make the biggest difference. And so, the lesson was learned. No matter how big the problem or how small you may feel, always do what you can to help. For even the smallest actions can lead to the greatest change.